I have decided to do something crazy and something that I'll probably regret, but I have decided to commit to a 30-day Facebook Live challenge, and the replays will be posted on my Instagram and on my YouTube channel. But the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm really inconsistent with showing up. And sometimes I feel like I haven't got, the knowledge to share, or I'm not exactly in a presentable mode, or the house is untidy, or I just don't feel like it. And I find every excuse. But I have so much to share with you that I know that you will benefit from. And I know that just by setting myself this personal challenge, then it's going to make me show up. So I would absolutely love it if you are tuning into these videos. If you find them beneficial, then give me a love heart, or give me a comment, and just, let me know that you're enjoying the content that I'm sharing. It'll be messy. It'll be clunky. And I know, and I'm all up for that. I'm not going to worry about what I'm looking like. I'm not going to worry about what the house looks like. It's not going to be at the same time every day, because I'll be in different places, but I am committing. Sometimes it'll be short videos, other times it might be longer, but I just really want to show up and do a 4-week Facebook Live challenge. And because I've got so much I want to share with you. We're going to be talking all about hormones. We're going to be talking about fasting. We're going to be talking about food and mindset, everything that is important for our stage of life. So let me share with you what I want to cover off over these next 4 weeks. Because unlike me normally, I actually have a plan and of what we're going to do. So this week is all about the foundation and the inspiration. And I'm going to share my journey around midlife. I'm going to share why I have not introduced, why I've embraced a fasting lifestyle. And this is for you if you are 40 and over and you just want a different way. What's working for you, what you're doing currently isn't working and you want to find something different. And I'm just going to share my journey, my thoughts, my learnings, and my suggestions and recommendations. Okay, so week 1's about the foundation and the inspiration. You're going to learn all about your hormones. So I need to back myself and know that I have so much to share and so much that you will benefit from. Week 2 is all about the food and medicine, and how important it is to eat for your hormones and not for your taste buds. Okay, so we're going to be getting into the kitchen, and I'm going to be doing some cooking, which is what I love the most. We're going to be talking about blood sugars. Week 3's about fasting and healing, and seeing fasting as freedom, not restriction. And you may have heard that women over 40 shouldn't be fasting. And I want to share my thoughts around that and how you can make it work for you. And it's so important to do it around your hormones, no matter what stage of life you're at, whether you are perimenopausal, menopausal, or postmenopausal. And then week 4 is about real life and reinvention. Because if you think about our life as a woman as 3 acts, we've got our first act is when we're in childhood and our youth, and that's when we are just coming into life. The middle act is when we are in adulthood. It's our career and our family, and that's what we're focusing on. And then our third act, this isn't something that I've created, it's what a lot of women see it as, this being our 3 stages of life, is that our third act is our wisdom and our legacy. It's where we have so much wisdom to share, but often it's a time where we lose our confidence and we lose our voice, and we turn into ourselves rather than outward. And so I really want that to be about the week 4, is what that looks like, how you can show up and be more about leaving a legacy and what you want to be known for. So that's what the 4 weeks is about. I will probably kick myself for committing to this, but I'm actually looking forward to it, because I don't mind jumping on live as long as I've got a plan. And I've got a plan. So that's exciting. So tomorrow I am talking about the number one shift women need to make over 40 for your health. And I'm going to keep them short and as simple as possible. And I'll, give you actions that you can take away. So I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow. I can't give you a time. I can't guarantee that I will be at 12:30 every day because tomorrow I'm playing tennis. And so it's just going to be around where I'm at. But I can promise you I'm going to show up, hand on heart, every day for 30 days. Okay, I will see you tomorrow.